If you want better stamina, stronger performance, and more endurance throughout the day, it all starts with your core. A strong core doesn't just give you abs, it improves balance, breathing control, and overall power. Today, I am going to share a simple daily core routine you can do at home in just 10 to 15 minutes. First exercise, plank hold. Hold a forearm plank for 30 to 45 seconds. Keep your body straight, tighten your abs, and control your breathing. This builds deep core stability and endurance. Second, mountain climbers. Go for 30 seconds at a steady pace. This exercise strengthens your core while boosting your heart rate, helping improve stamina and fat burn at the same time. Third, leg raises. Do 12 to 15 reps. Keep your legs straight and lower them slowly. This targets the lower abs and improves control. Fourth, Russian twists. Perform 20 reps total. This improves rotational strength and builds oblique endurance. Finally, dead bug hold. Slow and controlled for 10 reps each side. This exercise improves coordination and core stability. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times. Focus on breathing, control, and proper form. Within a few weeks, you'll feel stronger, more stable, and your stamina will noticeably improve. Consistency is key. Do this routine daily. Stay hydrated, eat clean, and get enough rest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Drop a comment below and tell me your goal, strength, stamina, or six-pack abs. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.